time check, it's 11:05 in the morning and we are heading to Houston, Texas, and it is gonna be a 2 hours and 45 minutes drive. So ayan, I'm shaking because I'm holding. We are driving right now. Say hi to my Netizen City. Welcome back to the long time vlog.
What's up, netizens? How you doing today? Yo, we're going to Houston. Check it out.
What an introduction, netizens! Do you like it?
I tried to be high energy.
High level energy, guys. Okay, I'm shaking up because we are driving. So this is our first time going to Houston, Texas after living here for 1 year in Texas, in San Antonio, Texas. Actually, this is our first time going to Seafood City Market, which is the same supermarket that we always go to in Vegas, right? The trash there, okay? Oh, and our original plan of leaving the house is around between 9 to 10. I mean, we are waiting for the pest control to show up around between 9 to 10, pero hindi sila
10 to 11.
10 to 11. You said 9 to 10?
No, I didn't. I said 10 to 11.
10 to 11 pala. Guys, you know, we are a certified passenger princess, if you heard that before. So what I have here in my seat is let me show you. I got my water tumbler here. I have my iPad. I have my neck pillow from Bucky's. I have the blanket, guys, and then this is the very epic. I have my eye massager. Did I pronounce it correct? Massager. Yeah, eye massager, guys. Kasi it's gonna be 2 hours and 45 minutes drive. So habang nagda-drive si Chad, ilalagay natin tong eye massager para comfortable tayo sa drive na ito. Right, Sweetie? Are you agree with me?
What?
I'm putting this on.
Yeah, I agree with you taking a nap.
Taking a nap? How come?
So I can have some peace.
You can have some peace driving? Oh. Alright, tama, guys. So we have a cooler back there. Meron kaming dalang cooler. Tulad ng ginagawa namin before. And so we'll update you guys pag nandun na kami sa Houston, Texas Seafood City Market. Bye for now. Alright, guys, we are here in Seafood City. Let me show you the building. We just got here. We just barely got here. Ito siya, guys. Let's go. You like it so far?
I gotta pee.
Oh, me too. Go. Guys. Okay. Halo. Season. May lechon pala dito, guys. lang. May nantay po ako kasama. Wait lang po. Hello, may laing. Na-miss niya yung laing. Did you miss the laing? Tangkit. Itong maudangkit. Mga nasa 575 lang. 575. Ay, mahal nito. 739. Guys, si Chad nag-explore mag-isa. Nag-explore siya mag-isa, guys. And then look what I found here. Bread pan. Ayan, guys, oh. Look, kumuha na ako. Pagkano lang? 59 cents. Oh my gosh. 59 cents lang, guys. Ang bread pan. Kuha na natin yan. Panis. Meron dito, guys, oh. It's $8.99. Ayan, $7.99 lang. Na may sticks. Mga candy.
I'm not an actor. What, Peachy? What the?
There are that's my favorite chips. That's what I've been wanting to get ever back home. They are like 59 cents each.
Jeez.
Yeah.
12?
San Mig and Red Horse. You're only getting Red Horse. Just get another Red Horse one so you can keep it next weekend.
Yeah, but I like San Miguel Light. I haven't had San Miguel Light in a long time.
Get another one.
Oh, it's fine.
It's fine. Because we're not coming back here until next month. Yeah. Pork belly. tayo neto. Oh my gosh, 26 bucks. Ang mahal. Ito lang tayo. 18? Ang mahal. 10 lang to dati. 10 lang to dati. Marinated. Crispy pata. Is that cebuchon? Ayan sila ang cebuchon, guys. Crispy pata. Meron silang banig, guys. How much is the banig? 25? Oh, 10. 10 bucks. Banig. Red Horse. You hug each one of them. Siti, you hug the Red Horse. Ube. Siya, guys. Kuha tayo. Ube. Guys, this is my favorite. The green one. Siti, the green one. Alright, guys. So, we are back. We are back from Seafood City Market. Ito yung mga pinamili natin, guys. Isasayin na natin. Na-miss ko talaga yung Seafood City Market sa Vegas. Kaya, talagang, nung nagpunta kami sa Sugarland Seafood City, sobra akong na-thrilled. Yung feelings ko parang gusto ko na agad mag-shopping. Pero kumain muna kami. Nakita nyo naman sa video, di ba? So, na-miss ni Chad yung laing kasi hindi ako gumagawa ng laing. Tapos, binagoongan. Tapos, yung barbecue nila, yung pork barbecue. And then, ayun lang yung kinain namin. Tapos, nagbukod juice ako. And then, ano ba? Nagsimula lang kami mag-grocery. Ayun. So, of course, ito yung ating kalahating, I think this is 10 kilos yata to. Tama ba? Na 10 kilos na bigas. Yan. Next, ito yung mga dry goods. Yung mga chichirya natin, guys. Sobra akong natuwa sa Seafood City dyan sa Houston, sa Sugarland. Kasi, guys, wala nito sa, sa Las Vegas Seafood City Market. Kung meron man, laging nasa sold out. Pero dito sa Seafood City sa Sugarland, ay, puno ang kanilang stock. At tignan nyo naman kung gaano kadami ang pinili natin. Bread pan! Ang dami! Alam niyo ba kung magkano lang to? Nakita niyo sa video? 59 cents. 59 cents. Is it filming?
Yes, it is filming. Peachy, you've got that right on the edge.
It's okay. It's not moving.
You always get mad at me for putting things on the edge, and what did you do? That is right on the edge.
Nobody is moving it, so it's gonna be safe in there. Nobody is moving in there. Okay? I just need space. I just need distance. Sidi, I forgot my iPod in the compartment.
Oh, it's on the back seat. It's not in.
No, it's not in the back. Oh, yeah. I forgot it. in the back seat. Can you grab it, please?
Oh, that's what you need.
Yeah,
You say,
thank
I
you,
forgot
sweetie.
it.
Guys, going back.
I'm cold.
Thank you, City. Bait talaga ng asawa ko na to. Love you. Guys, ang daming bread pan. Alam niyo ba kung magkano to? Sa Seafood City sa Houston? 59 cents. 59 cents. So sulit na to kasi, guys, umuwi ako ng Pinas. Just so you know, umuwi ako ng Pinas. Pagbalik ko dito sa Amerika, ang laman ng bagahe ko ay walang iba kundi ang bread pan, garlic bread pan. Ayun ang laman ng aking maleta. Kaya sobrang tuwa ako nung na meron silang bread pan. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Tapos meron pang red. 14.
You said you were getting 12.
16. 18. 20.
You said you were getting 12.
No! $12. This is 59 cents. Ano yung kontrabida talaga to? You're always contradicting.
You're always contradicting yourself.
Contradicting. And then, so, we have 20 pieces ng green. And then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 na green. City, can you show it to my vlog? Na-miss ni Chad ang...
Can I what?
Ay, di mo pinakita yung ano.
What, Peachy?
The red horse. You don't want to show it to them?
Oh, no.
Ay, no, guys.
I'm not gonna share.
Ito nakuha ni Chad. Oh, your red horse. And Chad Miglight. That's it. Nag-take out tayo ng... Woo! Lechon paksiw. Saka... palabok. Ang sarap ng palabok nila, guys. Bango. Sarap. Ito naman sa bakery nila, yung Valerio Bakery. Nasa loob din siya mismo ng Seafood City. Bumili tayo doon ng this is chicken empanada. Alaking, $5.99. Wala ko makikita nyo siya. Sure. Kainin ko na ito mamaya. Tapos yung paborito ni Chad na cream cheese roll. Ayan. This is $11.99. Yan. Ito yung Century Tuna. Pandagdag lang to, guys, kasi meron na tayong nabibili dyan sa Chocbee. Kaya dagdag lang to. Hokkaido. Since ando doon naman na, so bumili na rin ako. Dagdag lang. Ito yung last bag natin. Para sa mga dry goods. Garlic toast. Alam mo naman, mahilig tayo sa mga garlic toast. Ayan. Binibili ko to sa Vegas dati. Sobrang lagi silang sold out. Tapos, uy, meron tayong kamote. Yeah, bumili pala ako ng kamote, guys. Purple yam. Parang $4.99 per pound. Ganito lang siya. Tapos, bumili si Chad ng 2 mani. Ang mahal na itong mani na to. Parang ano daw yata to, parang $8. $8.50 isa. So, ito yung gusto ni Chad na mani. Yan. Next is ito yung cooler na dala namin. So, sa cooler, ito yung mga nabili natin. Pakita ko lang, guys, ah. So, bumili tayo ng kangkong. Daming ice. Pork siopaw from Goldilocks. Bumili ako ng isang brand. Magkaibang brand yung pinili natin. Ayan. Tignan ko ano yung masarap dyan. Tapos, itong lumpia wrapper. Alam niyo na, lagi natin binibili yan. Pang Dynamite, pang Shanghai. Yan. Tapos mga beef tapa. Okay. Ano pa ba? Tender juicy hotdog. Laki niya. Jumbo lang yung meron doon. Wala silang yung ano, yung ang tawag ito, ang binibili talaga namin na brand sa Tocino, yung Argentina, pero wala sila. Kaya kumuha na lang din ako in case. Kasi si Chad mahilig sa Tocino din. Yan, yung isa Pamana, yung isa Martin na brand. Ibang brand siya. Pero ito yung mga binili ko sa Argentina. Longganisa lang yung meron sila. So, pork longganisa sa dalawa. Yan. Marami pa sa ilalim, guys. Tapos another Tocino ulit. Ay, lamig. Another beef tapa. Another Tocino. Yan. Parang ayan lang naman. Alright. So, ayun lang lahat, guys, yung pinamili namin sa Seafood City Market. Yung mga pinariority ko lang yung mga hindi ko nabibili dito sa may Filipino mini market dito malapit sa bahay namin, which is like 20 minutes away. Yung mga binili ko lang yung talagang bihira kung makita. Tapos itong bread pan wala talaga to dito, kaya bumili talaga ako. Tapos itong kamote wala rin yan dito, kaya bumili ako. Hindi ko dinamihan kasi baka mabulok lang naman. Kaya okay lang yung mga ganito, yung pailan-ilan lang. Tapos pang-almusal ko lang to. Tapos yung mga frozen, pili lang din, hindi katulad dati kapag nagbe-Vegas kami, talagang maramihan ako nabili kasi wala namang Filipino market dun sa St. George na malapit. Unlike dito meron, kaya hindi ako nag-worry na kasi meron naman ako nakukuha niyan dito. So ayun lang, guys. Ito, guys, sobrang happy lang ako sa trip namin kasi naka-experience ulit kaming kumain sa Seafood City, yung Grill City nila doon. May mga turo-turo sila, ang dami nilang selection sa breads. May halo-halo sila doon, may mga turo-turo. Ang dami talaga. Tsaka ang laki. Nung pagpunta namin doon, guys, hindi sila busy. Tahimik yung restaurant dahil siguro sa weather, sobrang lamig ngayon. Tapos, weekdays, kaya wala masyadong tao. Pero, pa rin, madami pa rin bumibili pero hindi ganoon ka-busy katulad na nakikita namin sa Las Vegas Seafood City Market. And I'm so happy lang kasi, guys, hindi ko na siya, tagal ko na nag-crave na itong bread pan na to. Buti panayagan ako na siya bumuli ng madami. Kasi, Guys, 59 cents lang naman. Bakit ka pa manghihinayang, di ba? Kung masasatisfied naman yung cravings mo. And thank you guys for watching. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Sana nakita ninyo yung loob. Na-tour ko kayo kahit kaunti man lang doon sa loob ng Seafood City nila. At sobrang nakakatuwa, nakakapanibago ulit. Kasi tagal na rin namin hindi nagpunta ng seafood, almost 1 year, over 1 year. Kaya sobrang saya ko ngayon. And thank you guys. So hope you like this video, and please leave a comment and thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.
I can't wait to leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down. The cold nights just don't feel the same. Oh